Tell them you're opening it.
What?
Tell them you're opening your gift.
Well, they know. You know I'm opening it.
We know you're opening it, Mom. Go ahead.
Yeah.
The light's on you.
This is from Emmett, Ashley, Brian, and what did I say? Love, Abigail, Emmett, Ashley, and Brian. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. What?
Chocolates.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's so pretty. Ooh. Nice shell. Oh, how did I open this?
Almost see.
Here, you want me to?
It's childproof.
How do you open it? Oh, there. Oh, wow.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh.
Whoa. One at a time.
It's a brooch.
It doesn't
Oh,
look like anybody's watching, but we're just off camera here.
Yeah, but what's that there?
it's from Canada. Look at the shell. Isn't that pretty? Oh, this is beautiful.
Let's see what you're looking at.
This
Put it up in your
it's a
face.
brooch.
Put it up in your face.
Yeah.
There.
Oh.
Yeah, it's made by an artist in Nova Scotia.
Really?
Yeah.
And the box is just as
The shell, yeah.
just as beautiful.
Must be a
That
little.
was it was a gift to the ambassador, and then I bought it at an auction.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at the silver in it. It's beautiful.
Gorgeous.
There's only one of those.
Yeah, eh? Oh, look at this box. Oh, it's beautiful.
Here, Pat.
Thank you. Yeah, it says here. It says here. Handcrafted fine pewter. I can't read the rest. By William Design.
It's one of a kind.
Made in Nova Scotia, Canada. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Canada.
Oh.
To Grandma, happy birthday. The Bangkok grass.
Just leave it.
The
Okay.
the Bangkok grass.
Grasses.
Some tea.
I love my soap.
Suitcase.
Look at a cute little bag. A cute little bag. Ooh, smells good. Mmm. Ooh.
Santa's bag.
Oh, look at that. Nice pouch. Oh my goodness. What is that? Oh, my favorite color. Oh. Oh, it doesn't fit. Oh, that's beautiful. Isn't that nice?
So now you can tell people that a 4-year-old in Myanmar made you a necklace.
No kidding.
Amazing, eh?
Isn't that
That's nice.
pretty? I know. Oh no! Oh, look at this cute box.
I got that in Yangon, Myanmar.
Oh, did you?
What are they?
Matching rings.
To match my necklace.
Oh, geez, they're nice.
Isn't
Yeah.
that pretty? Oh, I
Where'd
love
you
that
get those,
color.
Brian?
In Myanmar, in Yangon.
Where the hell is that?
Yangon, is that a country?
That's the capital
Of
There.
what?
of Myanmar, Burma.
Oh, Burma.
It used to be called Burma. It's called Myanmar now.
Oh,
Did it
okay.
come in this little box? Is that it? Look
Yeah,
how.
the earrings came in the box, but if you look at the bag, it says Myanmar on it.
Yeah, but look how cute that is. That's really different. That's a really cute box.
Okay, to Grandpa. Sorry for the, what is it? Sorry for the,
I don't know. Can't read that. Sorry for what?
I don't know. I can't see it.
David, can you... For the...
Put it up
Oh, for the paper.
to the paper.
Sorry for the paper, because it's got big sparkles on it. Love, A, B, and E. Kisses.
Those are our initials.
Yes. What is this, Mom? Mom? Mom, yeah,
Hey,
me?
Just let Dad open it. Just let Dad open it. You're reading way too much into it. It's wrapping.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this is lovely.
oh, dreams.
Oh
Dreams
no.
of Thailand.
Oh no.
Oh, they're nice, Brian.
Well, it's so hard to buy anything,
The
with
cat?
you guys, and I
What?
wanted to find something that was small, but then it was also a good sort of coffee table thing for Thailand.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. Thank you. Thank you, Brian.
Oh, look at this. The pictures.
And they got one where you've been before, eh?
We've been to most of those places.
Have you?
Yeah.
Here's Phuket.
Oh my goodness, look at
Look back.
this. Yeah, look at
We're in
this.
Phuket tomorrow.
Look at these people here and look at the size of this rock.
That's probably Wahan.
Oh my goodness. You see that,
Oh, no.
David?
Rocks, where would that be? Krabi. Krabi, probably.
The beaches are, of course,
That's a good gift. Real good gift.
Yeah, it's small, fits on your coffee table. And
Yeah.
And good
Actually,
read and good
I was
reading.
impressed with it. I'm probably going to get one for myself.
Yeah, no, that's nice.
Oh yeah, good souvenir, Brian. You need that.
Thank you, Brian, Ashley,
Yes.
Emmett,
Thank you.
Abigail.
Look at my nice necklace. Santa brought.
I know.
Isn't that pretty? And my earrings. I love this little box.
Oh, with the oyster, the brooch.
Well, next year it'll save me some money. I'll just get you the box.
Yeah. Yeah, but look how pretty that'll be together.
Look at the cat.
Oh.
bag.
Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, sweetie. How are you? Oh, you're so lucky to have a nice house. You're a lucky cat. Yes, you're a lucky kitty. Yes, you're so...
He's
You're...
been in that bag ever since it got put on the ground.
Yeah. Isn't that cute?
She's trying to get into this box, but she's too fat.
Oh, she's getting fat, is she? Oh, Abigail got her new pajamas on.
Let's see your pajamas, Ab. No, you're not a cat, Abigail.
Put in the pail there, David.
That's a nice bag, Brian. Nice pajamas.
Your pajamas.
Oh, those are nice. Yes. I didn't know you
Oh,
were...
and
Is that all
we're
burnt
filming,
down
I
there?
forgot.
A little bit, yeah.
What's that?
We were filming. See the setup? I don't have a tripod, so this is my tripod.
Oh. You did good.
Kleenex box, 2 tables of Kleenex box, 2 coasters, and a thing of tape.
You did good, Brian. Yeah.
Remember, I used to always set up, don't come in yet.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's full. It's not filming anymore.
That's beautiful. Yes.
No, it's nice.
Well, you have a wonderful holiday. And we'll talk to you when you... Well, are we going to see you after then? Are we going to see them when they're on holiday?
No.
Did you
Nice.
brush your teeth?
Nice teeth.
Look at those. Wow, that's an expensive mouth.
Yeah, they look like big chiclets.
Oh yeah.
Big chiclets.
Right here.
Did you
Oh,
see?
gosh.
Did you see David's new teeth?
Ashley's ready to go in the water. That's what these things look like.
Oh, oh, that's neat.
Amazing, eh?
Yeah,
That's cool.
The technology today, eh?
isn't it? And they're tied at the back.
These are from the season of Jays. They got really smart ideas.
Yeah.
Where's Emmett and Abigail?
They're right here. There's Abigail.
Abigail,
Abigail.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. And we love you a
And
lot.
Yeah, we love you, honey. And a happy New Year. Okay? You have a nice holiday with Mommy and Daddy. You're such a lucky girl. Okay, honey? Okay, love you. Oh, I like that reindeer. That's beautiful.
Okay, let's go find Emmett now.
Okay.
Emmett, come here or you're grounded. I'm just kidding, you're not grounded.
Playing with his toys. Uh-oh.
Come here.
Well, it freezes once in a while.
Okay, but here, Grandma and Grandpa want to say something before they go.
Goodbye, honey. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we love you a lot. And we miss you a lot.
Merry Christmas, Emmett. Emmett, just a minute. Be what round and around the barn. Any stuff nobody knows. There you go. Bzzz.
Oh, you... Bye.
Way too many presents to really care about.
Yeah, I know. Oh my goodness. You guys are too much.
Let's just see here what we got. The aftermath here.
Are you going to have room to bring all that stuff back? Oh, God, look at that. Oh, dear. Oh,
Look at the stuff
my
all over.
goodness. Look at that. Okay, well, happy putting stuff away.
Yeah, but see, this is my Christmas present right here.
Oh. Is this something... Oh, that's your liquor cabinet.
Yeah, that's my Christmas present.
Yeah.
You had that
Nice.
made, David.
Cool.
What's those red things in there?
Little Santa Clauses.
Oh, is that? Isn't that cute? On the bottle?
Yeah.
Oh, there they are. Look at that elephant. Nice.
You bought that elephant.
Oh, that's a nice elephant.
We have a little, like, wall mural elephant thing on the seat very well.
Yes, yeah. Wow. That's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, I can see better now.
Is that wood made out of wood, Brian?
Yeah, it's hand carved out of mahogany.
Holy Jesus.
Mahogany.
Sorry, no, teak.
Yeah, I was going to
That's
say, I don't
gorgeous.
think mahogany.
Yeah.
Look at
So
that
everything's
elephant.
teak.
Was he over 4 years old?
Probably not. I'd say probably the supervisor was 4 years old. But probably
Yeah.
half.
What's that house there? Is that a cuckoo house?
No, it's like a spirit house.
Oh, look at the work.
So it's like a Thai sort of traditional kind of house.
Yeah. Look at the intricate work.
Yeah. And this is a Thai mask.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you like those masks. Oh, that's a neat one.
And then we have the other elephant.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah,
That's nice. Yeah.
that's pretty.
That's nice. That's different.
Yeah, that's really nice. They're both nice, but I like that one.
Other shit that we have here.
Oh my goodness.
I
Look.
like that elephant painting. Ashley liked that one, so she got that.
Yeah. Oh, that's different.
It's kind of elephant crazy. Then we went and bought some art. So that's like a monk praying.
Monk praying.
Hard to see that. Yeah, I saw that hanging. That's really nice.
Got that thing.
Look at that. Oh, look. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, wow.
And then got some more crap too here. Hang on. There we go. We got a Thai plate, like a bone china plate.
Oh, yeah.
We got,
Oh, there's another. Oh, that's nice.
And then this is from. I got this from the King's Palace. The coin.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. Nice souvenir. What's this thing?
There's another elephant.
Oh, my. Yeah.
And they got these things, are little frogs.
Oh, yeah.
So with these things, what you do, you take this.
Oh, jeez.
And that's what a frog sounds like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, is that wood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've got our little mural here of the kids.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah, I saw that pic. That's a nice picture. That's excellent. Yeah.
Of course, we have like Emmett and his little.
Oh, yeah, I have that on my iPad. Yeah.
Yeah. Kids swimming.
Yeah, I have that one too.
Looking at our BTS stop down Sukhumvit Road.
Yes, yes, I have that too. Oh, those are nice.
Oh, in Chelsea.
Oh, yeah.
That was in the airplane the first time taking pictures of Phuket, the islands in Phuket.
Uh-huh.
And that's a monster.
I love you so much.
We got this. This is another sort of like a statue.
Oh, no, that's different.
Yeah. And then this is a water.
Snake.
Water. Yeah, I can't remember what it's. Yeah, but it looks like a dragon with water. But so we got this in Kanchanaburi, which is where the bridge over the River Kwai is.
Oh, yeah.
And it's actually made out of